Hey YouTube, y'all, what's going on? Family, how y'all doing? Welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you guys for coming back. That's always been here. Y'all know ain't no problem in me. I try. How y'all doing? Happy Sunday. Hope everybody's having a wonderful, blessed day. Yeah, I got to share this with you. Lancome has a beauty, a holiday. Wait a minute, let me get my bra right. It ain't supposed to be hanging out. It's supposed to be cute. I ain't supposed to be. Hold on, y'all. Let me get undiscombobulated. Okay, it's just gonna be trifling and it's just gonna show. Alright, I'm gonna pull my shirt back. So how y'all doing? Anyway, Lancome got a glam box, y'all. $68. I got it from Octoly. I ordered it from Octoly. But when I saw it, I had to get it and share it with you guys. Look at what's all in there for $68. I put a link below that's from Octoly, but I just, kind of Googled around, but $68, y'all, and it's on more than Octoly. But it is $68. I think I saw it on Nordstrom's, but I got it from Octoly. Let me quit talking. Let me open this box up and show y'all what it is. It says it's the Happiness is Here Glam Collection. So it's Lancome's Happiness is Here Glam Collection. It's the Christmas box, y'all. And I've been dying to get into this box, but I did not want to do it without showing it to you guys. Look at here. I'm happy with this right now already. Look at it. It's got a little handle on it. Ain't that cute? Yes, for travel, taking makeup with you. That is cute. Let's just hop into the top of it. Let me get it unzipped. It reminds me of an old traveling makeup bag. You know that you could, ooh, it's got a big old mirror. Look at there. It's got plastic over it. Let me take the plastic off. Okay. All right. And let's see about the goodies though. This is the top half. The first thing I have here. Oh. Y'all. Okay, wait a minute. I don't know which one to talk about first. It's 3 things here. Let me get this plastic off. I never knew Lancome had brushes. Now I have a Lancome brush. Probably could make a blush brush out of it. Or a highlighting brush. It's double-ended. Okay. And then we have a mascara. Lancome Hypnose Drama. That's what it, come on, would you focus on the mascara, please, not me? Yeah, there we go. That's what it looks like. I'll go ahead and open it so you guys can see the foot. That's what it looks like. Okay. I don't need no more mascara. I just had to do this. Now I got 5 mascaras open. I hope don't now one of them dry out. Hypnose Drama. I've been wanting to try this. And then we have a lipstick here in 378 Wine Party. Can y'all see that? If this camera would get with me and stop trying to see me and focus on this, then you guys could see that. But it says it's Wine Party. I'll swatch it. Oh yeah. Oh, I thought it was gonna be a red. It's more like a let me swatch it. A plummy looking color. Oh, that's pretty. That is really pretty. Okay, let me keep going, y'all. Don't tell me I'm gonna have a Lancome box. I got a couple of get ready with me to do. I gotta do my BoxyCharm get ready with me, my November Ipsy get ready with me, and now I'm gonna have to do a Lancome get ready with me. I just got reasons to be up here trying to put on my makeup on camera, y'all. The next thing in here. Ooh, this thing's $68. This is the Lancome Advanced Genique YEUX. I can't say that word, y'all. Y'all see that? What's this? Youth Activating Soothing Eye Cream. Ooh. That's what it looks like. Okay, this is the deal. If I was not able to get this, I'm just the first 4 things. That's already, I'm sure, well over. It better not be no Lancome foundation. It can't be no foundation because how can you match somebody? Oh, we got another Lancome lipstick. This is in, what Oh, wait. Looks like it says racy. It's gonna pick up. But this is what it looks like. It's a red. I knew it had to be a red because it's Christmas time. That's what it looks like. And I'll swatch it right next to the... Okay. That's it right there. It looks like it says racy, but that's writing is so small, y'all. Looks like it says 302 racy. So we got 2 lipsticks, an eye cream, a brush, and a mascara. Y'all get out of here. I've been wanting to try this, but it was too expensive. Advanced Jennifer Finique Concentrate Activator. The Youth Activating Concentrate. It's a serum. All skin types. For optimal results, use daily, AM and PM. Where is the box? I know it's on the box. Let me tell y'all what this is. Give me a minute. It just says the Youth Activating, Youth Activating Advanced Jennifer Finique Youth Activating Concentrate. So it is a serum. And if I'm not mistaken, is this thing like $50, $60 by itself? That's what it looks like. Okay, you're going right into my new skincare regimen. You sure are. And that's it for what's in the top of this box, y'all. But I know, if I'm not mistaken, this is expensive. If I had my phone, I would look online and see how much this is. But I know that Youth Activating Concentrate is expensive. Lancome is expensive. So this little Christmas box, let alone the bag. Man, oh, did I show you? Yeah, this is empty. Let's see what's in the bottom. Oh, wow. It's full of stuff, too. Full of products. Let's just take them off. Well, that's not. That's just stuffing. Let's just take everything out. Oh, that feels like a palette. Okay, let's put this away. I'm going to put everything back in the top because I am going to be using this stuff. Now, get ready with me, y'all. Y'all know I like doing that, even though I can't do them that well. Let's unwrap the first box. First. Okay. Another Lancome lipstick, guys. That's 3. And this one is in 126 Natural Beauty. Ooh, that's a pretty nude lippy. That's what that is. That's cute. Let me swatch it right next to here. Oh, yes. That's going to be a pretty nude for anybody. Y'all see it? I can wear that. I can rock that. So that's 3 lipsticks from Lancome. And then we have Lancome Kohl eyeliner. Looks like it's a pencil eyeliner. I'm not believing this box. This is crazy. It's in ebony. That's what the tip looks like. And I'll swatch it right here. Oh, it's real soft. Real soft. I hardly ever use these Kohl pencils because of my Milk makeup, but this is Lancome, y'all. I'm starting to feel real bougie. And the next thing we have here is, I gotta get the box again. Hang on. Booster. Okay, guys. This is the Curl Booster XL, the Super Enhancing Mascara Base. This is a mascara base. I think I got a sample of this from a Sephora order. Let me let y'all see the packaging. That's what it looks like. And it's white. I remember a little sample. Yes, and this makes your lashes look a whole lot thicker. So I'm happy to have this. I was going to order this in the sale, but I forgot about it. So I got it again. Y'all, this here little thing here. And the next thing, oh wow, I've been meaning to try this. This is the Bifacial double action eye makeup remover. And I hate to keep bringing up Desi, y'all, but she did a review on this. And if I'm not mistaken, she uses this still. Because I remember wanting it, but I just never got it. Because Sephora eye makeup remover is so much cheaper. But now I have it. $68? I'm not going to say that again. I'm not trying to convince y'all about nothing. Only reason I'm showing it to y'all is because it's $68. it's Lancome, y'all. I ordered it just to share with you guys, but I did not know it was going to be all of this. You know what I'm saying? The next thing, last thing we have, y'all, this is an eyeshadow palette. I saw it on the front. I did. But I didn't think it was going to be a real heavy one. I thought it was going to be a little paper one with Lancome stuff in it. This says Lancome eyeshadow and blush palette. Glam. And it's got a glittery texture, but none of the glitter is coming off. This is the back. Lancome eyeshadow and blush palette in Glam. Again, I will put the link below, y'all, because $68. The Lancome, we got a palette. Thus Long, 3 lipsticks, 2 mascaras, the Jennifer Finique serum. Y'all, hold on. Oh, this is pretty, and it has a mirror. Look at there. Let me turn it. Mine got a little, okay, just probably from shipping. Okay, but it's a really neutral. Let me get it up close so y'all can see that. That's what it looks like. I don't have a Lancome palette. I ain't mad. I don't care what it, ooh. These shadows feel like butter. Look at that. They swatch easy. Let me get a couple of these shades right here. Okay, I ain't mad. I don't have a Lancome palette. I didn't even know Lancome made eyeshadows. But yeah, guys, this is what it looks like. That is a really pretty neutral shade. 2 blushes. I gotta try this. And I know pink blush don't work with me. And I know I got on red. I just gotta try it. Ooh, and it fits me. Oh, wow. Yeah, I'm going to get this video up fast before these sell out, because I don't know if other people have seen these or if they're going for it, but $68 for Lancome, y'all. Only thing they could have did was put my exact foundation in here and I would have been dead. Lord forgive me, I don't want to die. I'm just saying I'd have been done. I'm already overdone. Okay, y'all, we're going to do a get ready with me using this palette. I mean, I got 3 things over here lined up. I'm working all the way to the middle of next week, but the first day off, y'all, we jumping on one of these get ready with me's. And I put everything right back in my little travel bag, all for 68 bucks. Y'all, I'm loving it. All right, I will see y'all in the next video. Y'all stay blessed, and I hope y'all had a wonderful weekend and be ready for back to work in the morning, y'all. Stay blessed, y'all. Bye.